Happy birthday, dear radio. Happy birthday to you. Morning already?
Sounds like it. Well, shall we go do our usual patrol?
We shall, as always. Remember, we have to go to our dojo early this evening to perform our class at the national tournament.
Yeah, I remember. I just hope our class is ready. Star, will you quit freaking out? It's just a rumor. Just because something like that gets around doesn't mean it's actually true.
I don't know about this, Stark. Hope seems really scared. Maybe we should keep a lookout for this individual, whoever they are.
We don't even know what they look like or where they're going to come from. We don't even know if someone will come here. But if it'll make you feel better, we'll.
Stark, what is it?
This doesn't look good. Come on, we need to warn the public.
Right.
This is StarSunCentral, a Darkwood Central, issuing a law enforcement warning due to a potential threat in Fresno, California.
Since around 8 a.m. this morning, a giant peak and black radiation symbol has been hovering over the city of Fresno. The cause of this symbol's appearance is unknown, however we believe it is tied to rumors of what is called a visitor on this day.
We are unsure if... Oh my god!
What the heck is that?
It looks like some glowing pink bubblegum?
Whatever it is, get closer, it's not friendly!
Quick! Everyone needs to get closer!
Stark? What's happening?
I don't know! Stop, get behind me!
Well, if it isn't the demigod duo.
Who are you, and what do you want?
Is that any way to talk to your future queen of radiation? I am Miss Radioactive, and what I want is for you to bow down before me.
Sorry, but last I checked, the only queen we knew of was Queen Elizabeth.
She's not around anymore, is she? Then I suppose I'll have to fill in her shoes.